Broccoli is one of the most profitable vegetables you can grow today. This green superfood has massive market demand and sells for premium prices year-round. But growing broccoli outdoors comes with big challenges like unpredictable weather, pest attacks, and limited growing seasons. That's where greenhouse farming changes everything. With controlled environment agriculture, you can grow perfect broccoli crops regardless of outside conditions and harvest multiple times per year. We have split this guide into 4 parts to make it easy for you. In the first part, we discuss why growing broccoli in a greenhouse beats traditional farming methods. In the second part, we explore different growing methods including soil-based systems, containers, hydroponics, and vertical farming setups. In the third part, we cover the complete planting and care routine from seed selection to pest management. And in the last fourth part, we discuss harvesting techniques and create a complete business plan to maximize your profits. Part 1. Why grow broccoli in a greenhouse? Greenhouse broccoli farming offers incredible advantages over open field cultivation. The biggest benefit is complete climate control. You can maintain perfect temperatures between 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit year-round, which broccoli loves. No more worrying about unexpected frost killing your crops or heat waves causing premature flowering. Your greenhouse acts like a protective shield against nature's unpredictability. Pest reduction is another game changer. Common broccoli pests like cabbage worms, aphids, and flea beetles struggle to reach your plants inside a controlled environment. This means less pesticide use, healthier crops, and lower production costs. You'll spend more time harvesting and less time fighting insects. Extended growing seasons multiply your profits. While outdoor farmers get 1 or 2 harvests per year, greenhouse growers can produce 4 to 5 crops annually. This means steady income throughout the year instead of seasonal bursts. Your cash flow becomes predictable and sustainable. Market demand for fresh local broccoli stays strong year-round. Consumers pay premium prices for greenhouse-grown vegetables because they taste better and last longer. The nutritional value of controlled environment broccoli often exceeds field-grown varieties because plants face less stress and receive optimal nutrition. Part 2. Growing methods explained. Choosing the right growing method determines your success and profitability. Each system has unique advantages depending on your budget, experience level, and production goals. Let's explore 5 proven methods that work excellently for greenhouse broccoli production. Soil-based raised beds work great for beginners. Fill your greenhouse beds with rich compost and quality potting soil. This method feels familiar and requires minimal equipment investment. However, soil can harbor diseases and needs regular replacement. Drainage becomes critical to prevent root rot. Container growing offers flexibility and disease control. Use 5-gallon pots or larger containers filled with premium potting mix. This method lets you move plants around and replace soil easily. Space containers 18 inches apart for proper air circulation. The downside is frequent watering needs and higher soil costs. Hydroponics delivers faster growth and higher yields. Nutrient film technique systems work well for broccoli, providing constant nutrient flow to roots. Deep water culture also succeeds with proper aeration. Plants grow 30 to 50% faster than soil methods and produce larger heads. Initial setup costs are higher, but long-term profits often justify the investment. Aquaponics combines fish farming with vegetable production. Fish waste provides natural fertilizer, while broccoli cleans the water. This sustainable system produces 2 income streams, but requires expertise in both fish and plant care. Start small to learn the balance before scaling up. Vertical farming maximizes space efficiency in smaller greenhouses. Stack growing trays or use tower systems to triple your production area. LED grow lights become essential for lower levels. This method works best with compact broccoli varieties and requires precise nutrient management. Part 3. Planting and care routine. Seed selection determines your success from day one. Choose varieties suited for your market and growing method. Fast-maturing types like Green Magic work well for hydroponic systems. Slow-growing heirloom varieties suit soil-based methods better. Buy certified disease-free seeds from reputable suppliers. Germination needs consistent moisture and temperatures around 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Start seeds in plug trays with sterile growing medium. Seeds typically germinate within 5 to 7 days. Provide bright light immediately to prevent stretching. Maintain humidity around 80% during germination phase. Transplanting happens when seedlings develop 3 to 4 true leaves, usually after 3 to 4 weeks. Handle seedlings gently to avoid root damage. Space plants 12 to 18 inches apart depending on variety. Water immediately after transplanting and monitor closely for transplant shock. Watering schedules vary by growing method. Soil-based systems need deep, infrequent watering to encourage deep root growth. Hydroponic systems require constant water circulation. Check soil moisture daily and adjust based on plant size and weather conditions. Avoid overhead watering to prevent disease. Fertilization feeds your profit potential. Broccoli needs high nitrogen during vegetative growth, then balanced nutrition during head formation. Liquid fertilizers work best in hydroponic systems. Slow-release granules suit soil growing. Monitor plant color and growth rate to adjust feeding schedules. Pest and disease management starts with prevention. Use yellow sticky traps to monitor flying pests. Inspect plants weekly for early problem detection. Beneficial insects like ladybugs control aphides naturally. Proper ventilation prevents fungal diseases. Remove affected leaves immediately to stop disease spread. Growth timeline follows predictable patterns. Vegetative growth dominates the first 6 to 8 weeks. Head formation begins around week 8 to 10. Harvest typically occurs 12 to 16 weeks from seeding. Track key milestones like first true leaves, rapid growth phase, and head initiation to optimize care timing. Part 4. Harvesting and Business Plan. Harvest timing determines quality and market value. Cut broccoli heads when florets are tight and dark green. Morning harvests provide best quality when plants are fully hydrated. Use sharp, clean knives to make smooth cuts 6 inches below the head. This encourages side shoot production for bonus harvests. Post-harvest handling preserves freshness and extends shelf life. Immediately place cut broccoli in cold water to stop deterioration. Store at 32 degrees Fahrenheit with high humidity. Proper handling can extend freshness from days to weeks, dramatically increasing your market window and reducing waste. Yield forecasting helps plan your business finances. Soil-based systems typically produce 1 to 2 pounds per plant. Hydroponic methods can yield 2 to 3 pounds per plant. Container growing usually falls between these ranges. Plan for 80% germination rates and 10% plant loss to pest or disease issues. Cost analysis reveals profit potential. Initial greenhouse setup ranges from $15 to $30 per square foot. Operating costs include seeds, nutrients, utilities, and labor. Expect $2 to $4 production cost per plant. Premium greenhouse broccoli sells for $3 to $6 per pound wholesale, $6 to $10 retail. Net profits of 40 to 60% are achievable with proper management. Packaging and branding create market differentiation. Develop attractive labels highlighting local greenhouse-grown benefits. Use eco-friendly packaging to appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Tell your farm story through social media and packaging inserts. Quality presentation justifies premium pricing. Sales channels multiply your revenue streams. Local farmers markets provide direct consumer contact and full retail margins. Restaurant sales offer consistent volume, but require reliable supply. Community-supported agriculture programs guarantee upfront payment. Online platforms expand your reach beyond local markets. Scalable bundling ideas increase average sale values. Pair broccoli with complementary crops like spinach or radishes grown in the same greenhouse. Create recipe kits with cooking instructions. Offer seasonal gift boxes combining multiple vegetables. Educational guides about nutrition and cooking methods add value without significant cost increases. Success in greenhouse broccoli farming requires attention to detail and consistent execution. Start small, learn the fundamentals, then scale based on market response. Your greenhouse investment will pay dividends through multiple harvests, premium pricing, and year-round income generation. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Smart Farming Inside for more agriculture content that helps you grow profitable crops with irrigation systems and build successful farming businesses. See you in the next video. Stay with us.